Hey guys, so today we're going to be making toilet bombs. I know, they sound like, what? How do you make toilet bombs? So anyways, I'm gonna show you guys how you can get your toilet to be nice and clean in literally no time. This is effortless. So we're gonna need some citric acid, we're gonna need some baking soda, and we're gonna need some dish soap. I have some essential oils here. This is optional. I'm choosing to use it, and I have mine in the lavender scent. So I got about 1/3 cup of the citric acid here, and I got 1 cup of the baking soda, and then we're gonna need 1 tablespoon of the Dawn dish soap. You can also choose to use whatever soap you want. This recipe does not it doesn't necessarily have to have soap in it. Some people have used hydrogen peroxide in it, some people have used water. It is totally up to you. I am choosing to use the Dawn soap just to give it that extra cleanse in my toilet. So anyways, let's go ahead and get started. So to my bowl here, I'm gonna go ahead and dump in my 1 cup of baking soda, and I'm gonna put my 1/3 cup of the citric acid. It feels very grainy, kind of like salt or sugar. And then I'm gonna get a whisk, and I just wanna whisk it all together before I add in the wet ingredients. Okay, so after that, I'm gonna measure out my 1 tablespoon of the dish soap, just like so. You might need to use your hands and your fingers to get a little dirty, and that's okay. And then I'm gonna do about 20 to 30 drops of my oil. Like so, and then you gotta get your hands dirty, so I'm gonna go in with my fingers and I'm gonna mix it up really good. You want it to combine well because you want to be able to mold it in your hands afterwards. This is so satisfying, you guys. I love it. It feels very, see, it's coming together. It's gonna mold really well once I am done mixing it in the bowl. You wanna make sure the soap coats everything, or else it will fall apart later on. Okay, so once it's mixed well, you can tell it comes together pretty good. You're gonna take your mold. I have this one right here with the apple shapes, and I'm just gonna move this aside. And then we are gonna be scooping them in here and shaping them, just like that. Gotta pack it in there. Okay, they're all done. I'm gonna let them sit for 6 hours and they're gonna harden, and then we're gonna pop them out and we're gonna test them out in the toilet. Okay, so it's the next day, and this is how the toilet bombs turned out. They hardened, and I'm about to show you guys how it works. You just throw it right in there, and then it's gonna fizz. I'm gonna throw another one just to have the double effect. As you can see, it's gonna fizz, it's gonna all melt, and then it's gonna start cleaning. So you can either let it sit and do its thing and then you flush it, or you can take your toilet brush and just go over, if you have like some grime over it in the toilet, and you just brush it quickly, because this does lift everything and makes it so easy to brush around. So yeah, that's how it looks. I'm gonna try to get you close in. It's just bubbling up right now. It smells good. It's definitely gonna deodorize your toilet. This is something good to do if you have guests coming over and you just quickly throw one in there just to deodorize and sanitize your toilet, or just if you wanna have some self-cleaning solution, you just throw one in there while you clean the rest of the bathroom, and then you just come back and you flush it and away it goes. Okay, so I went in, it was pretty much melted, and I went in with my brush just to get all the water marks off and other yucky stuff. It's a toilet after all, right? And then we are gonna go ahead and flush it. Look at that, it looks so clean. And it smells good, by the way. It definitely deodorized the toilet. But what I like most is that it sanitizes it, because you know every flush it can release some germs in the air. So you want to keep your toilet clean and sanitize it. So yeah, it looks pretty good, you guys. Go ahead and give these toilet bombs a try. They definitely work. So it still has some bubbles there. No worries, it's gonna flush away. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget, my new schedule starting November is Tuesdays and Saturdays. Look out for my videos on those days. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on a video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.